Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Lisa.
I'm Rufus.
Hi, and today it's everybody's favourite question on a Monday. Will it soup?
Yes.
Will it soup?
So today's Will It Soup has been requested, hasn't it?
It has.
It has. Somebody requested, and I can't remember who it was, but they requested a pizza Will It Soup. So there you go, that's a pizza. Now that actually doesn't look too bad, does it? No. So we were in Morrison's, as you can tell. And so today we're going to cook the pizza and garlic bread. We're going to have a deep pan meat feast pizza. Now, I've got to say, the pizza actually does look quite yummy.
On the box, yeah.
Yeah, look.
We haven't looked at the pizza inside either yet.
No, do you want to open it then? Open the pizza, see what it looks like.
Open the pizza. Let's have a look. And...
oh, for a frozen pizza, there's a lot. It
doesn't look that bad.
There's a lot of meat on that. Right then, let's get cooking.
For this recipe, you will need
a pizza, a garlic baguette. So there you go, that's the preparation time. It's very hard to prepare this dinner, it really is. But it looks nice.
It does.
I'm going to put it in the oven now. It's been about 15 minutes, so the pizza is done, hopefully. Oh, look at that. That actually looks really yummy.
Oh, that looks nice, actually.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Rufus. Can you hear that crust, Rufus?
Yeah.
Oh, does it make you hungry? See, we haven't had our dinner yet. Oh, no. Look at all the bits of meat coming off that. That looks nice. Shall we do for 6 slices? Yeah, let's go for posh. Oh, make sure we're not a Chuck E. Cheese, are we? Let's make sure that it looks nice. Oh, look at that lovely garlic baguette on the side. So we need to just use that as well. We'll try. I'll tell you what. Let's do how I normally present it when I'm dishing up at home. Because presentation is everything in cooking, isn't it, Rufus?
Yeah.
You used to work in kitchens, didn't you?
I did, yeah. So
did you used to like faff around and get all the presentation looking nice?
Yeah.
There we go. Look. Oh, look at that. What do we think?
It looks very nice.
Oh, that does look like a lovely dinner, but we don't want to make it a dinner yet. Oh, over to the soup maker. Lift the soup maker up and then in. Oh, yummy. And then what do we do with the pizza? We bung it in, and then we whack in some water.
Steaming.
It's steaming. It is something. Right then, I think that might be too much pizza in there, so we have to squish it down with a rolling pin. Pop the lid on, and what are we doing, Rufus? Smooth or chunky?
Smooth.
Smooth. Right, select the smooth option. There we go, and 21 minutes. Yes! There we go. So it's literally just beeped, and I've just unplugged it. So I'm going to bring you the soup maker all the way over here. So it smells quite yummy, actually. So here we go. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, wow.
Looks like a really nice. It looks like a butternut squash.
Yeah,
soup.
it does. It does, doesn't it? See that steam coming off.
So if you didn't know what that was, what would you think it was?
I would think it was. It does look like a butternut squash soup.
Really does, doesn't it? Right, it's very, very steamy. There's a spoon for you to try and a spoon for me. Okay, let's get in there. I've got a nice bit from the corner there. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready? Come on then. Let's have a little taste test. Very hot.
And garlicky.
Oh, okay. Oh,
the garlic is very overpowering, isn't it? It's like,
it's not the garlic that's getting me. It's the gluten.
Yeah, the bread.
Can you taste that? It tastes. Do you know what it tastes like? It tastes like you put xanthan gum in it.
You can see how thick it is. It's like bread soup.
Right, I'm going to try one more. Are you going to try one more taste, and then we'll give our overall opinion on pizza and garlic bread soup. Oh no. Okay then, Rufus, so what are your thoughts on today's pizza and garlic bread dinner?
It's very, very thick and garlicky. I said you can't taste the pepperoni or anything else much in it. The first taste is garlic, and it was very, very... It's like you've made a bread sauce, but it just sticks to your mouth. It's that thick.
It sticks... Put a spoon in there, and then when you lift it, it's like sticking to the bottom of the bowl.
Yeah.
So for you, will you be having this for dinner tonight?
No.
No. Okay, my thoughts. I think it's bloody vile, to be honest with you. Gluten is not supposed to be in a soup as much as this.
No.
It tastes like you've got xanthan gum or you've got gelatin or something in it. It
really
tastes
thick.
really, really weird. So then, I will not be having this again. It's weird because it smells like a pepperoni pizza. It smells like the pepperoni and the garlic. It smells really nice. Yeah, it smells nice. But when you taste it, you can just taste that bready, gluteny yuck. Blech, blech. Out of 10 stars, I would give this 1 star because if I was trapped on a desert island and this was the only food, I could probably get it down. Whether I could keep it down is another question. So I would give it 1 star. What about you?
Yeah, I suppose that's the only thing you can give it is probably a 1.
You're giving it a 1 as well?
Because if you were starving, it would be food, but other than that, no, I definitely wouldn't have it.
Okay, so our combined score is 1 star. So then the question is, will it soup? Yes. Should it soup? No.
No.
Absolutely not. So then, luckily for us, this was probably one of the cheaper pizzas in Morrison's. But there you go. That has answered your question. Will it soup? Yes. Should it soup?
No.
Absolutely not.
No.
So this was recommended by one of you down in the comments section.
Yeah, so if, like I say, if you want us to do one of your recommendations, you can leave us a comment below of what you think would be good to go into a soup.
Absolutely. If you've enjoyed this video, you can give it a
big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and also click your bell icon so you're notified each and every time that we upload a video, which is once a week, every Monday, asking everybody's favourite question. Will it soup? Bye! That is absolutely disgusting.
Ooh.
Oh. That is really bad.
It's like as if
like
you've
snot.
already eaten it.
It is.
And
then
had
you
your drink and everything else, and that's what it would look like.
I'm fast. Why do you do that voice?
Tip it in there and then we'll flush more water into it and put it down the sink.
What are your thoughts on... I need a drink that gluten. But look, can you see on the top? It's literally like snot. That is disgusting.
It's getting the skin on it, it's that thick.
All we're going to do is pop it in the oven for some minutes. I don't know how long because I've thrown the box away. Into the thick of it.
Yeah, no.
Into the thick of it.
Is that? Oh, is that what it is?
Into the thick of it.
It's very thick, isn't it?